Hi, and welcome to Clappia. In this video, we will see how to use AI to automatically capture the reading on an odometer. This can be useful in cases such as expense reports, vehicle maintenance, insurances, rental services, and can also be a part of a broader asset tracking system. For example, combine the reading captured by the AI with a live tracking feature to validate distance traveled. So let's see how to get the odometer reading using AI with an example. In my Clappia dashboard, I'll click on this logistics app that I've created earlier. It is a simple app to record vehicles incoming or outgoing and the date and time. Now here I'd like to also include a record of the odometer reading. The user of the app can take a picture of the reading and the AI should record it accurately. To add those fields, I'll go to Design App, where I've created the app structure. You can see all the earlier fields. Since the user will have to first take a picture, I will click on Add Field and then select the Camera, Image and Files block. This block can be configured on the right-hand panel. There is a separate video on how to configure this block in detail. It is linked in the description. First, I will give a name to this field. Then I'll go to the Advanced section. Now under Allowed File Types, I will select Images so that the user can upload images. They can either do it through their gallery or through live camera uploads. If you want to restrict the user in only uploading images from their device and not through their gallery, then you can only select the option for images through camera uploads. For now, I'll select both. Next, you can set the number of files that a user can upload. I do not need any further configurations from this block, so I'll click on Save. Now coming to the AI block, I'll click on Add Field and select the AI block. Again, this block can be configured on the right-hand panel. I'll give a name to this field. Then you have the description. This will appear at the bottom of the field. You can also leave it blank. Now coming to the instructions. Here you will have to tell the AI what you need it to do. So in this example, I need the AI to analyze images uploaded in this field, detect and then display the reading of the odometer. So I can give the instructions like, check the odometer reading uploaded in this field. So here I can type in @ the field name where the image is to be uploaded, followed by the rest of the instructions. Make sure you give the AI block precise instructions on what you require from it, even if it has to be displayed in a certain format. You can have a maximum character count of 500 for the instructions, else you will not be able to save your instructions and you'll get an error. The instructions that I've given here is for the AI to check the odometer reading in the image uploaded in this field and to display the reading. I don't need any further configurations from this field, so I'll click on Save. Let's check this out. I'll go to App Home. You can see the two fields have appeared in this app, one for uploading images and the AI block. You can also see the description I've given for the AI block appears at the bottom of the field. This is just a simple instruction to a user to know that they need to first upload an image before clicking on the AI block. If your AI block has any dependencies, for example uploading images for detection, then you will first need to fill in those fields and then click on the AI block. So I'll upload an image. I've uploaded an image of an odometer and you can see the image is quite fuzzy. The reason I'm using the AI to get the reading is because sometimes the image may not be very readable, or you can use the details for some other purpose within the app. So now I'll go ahead and click on the AI block. It has given the reading accurately. Sometimes it can give you some unwanted text, like so. You will have to modify your instructions accordingly to not display such text if you require. Also keep in mind that the AI block has a maximum character count of 100 for its display. So I can go back to the Design app, and for the AI block, in its instructions on the right panel, I will modify it so that the AI does not return any unwanted text. I'll save this and go back to App Home. First I'll upload the image and then click on the AI block. It has removed the unwanted text and displayed only the value. Now, if you're trying to record a mechanical odometer reading, there are chances of the reading showing a value that is about to be changed. Let's take this example. You can see it looks like it's about to roll over to the next number. And if you want to capture that value instead, you can instruct the AI accordingly. So I'll go back to the Design app and change the instructions. In my instructions, I have asked the AI to check the odometer reading uploaded in the field and to return its reading. But if it is about to be changed, then it should display that value instead, and also to not display any other text. I'll click on Save and go back to App Home. I'll upload an image. Now this image is about to be rolled over to the next value, so the AI should detect it. It has given me the next value. Now I can go ahead and fill in the details of this app to make a submission. I filled in the details, so I'll click on Submit. You can view all the submissions under the Submissions tab. Click on a submission and a right-hand panel will appear, capturing all the details. Now this will also work on the mobile app. If you haven't downloaded it already, you can do so either on Play Store or App Store, and the moment you sign in to the Clappia app, any apps that you have created or that have been assigned to you will be live and ready to use. So let's check that out. Over here you can see the mobile screen with the Clappia app downloaded on it. I'll click on the Logistics app. The app is live and ready to use. I'll make a quick submission. Over here I've uploaded the image of the odometer through my gallery, but you can also do so using your mobile's camera. Now I click the AI block to get the reading. It has given me the output. Now over here in this image, you can see that the value is about to be changed from 2 to 3 and the AI has detected that accurately. Now I can go ahead and click on Submit. Even in the mobile app, you will be able to view your submissions if you have the appropriate permissions. Click on a submission to view all the details. So in this way, you can use the AI block to automatically capture the reading on an odometer. If you have any query on how to configure the AI block or on any other feature, you can always request support by clicking on the button over here, or you can email us directly to support@clappia.com and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you.